Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're just going to be doing a day in the life again. I finally finished my truck bed design for the pen holders, so I'm going to be printing those, starting to print those. It has a bunch of little small details, so I need to make sure those get worked out. I have a new tripod. I bought a Pro Master Scout tripod the other day because I was tired of putting my camera on a stack of filament boxes. And so today we're gonna kind of use this. I can get overhead shots now. I can get close-up shots better, so I can just do everything that I've been wanting to do without this tripod. Now I can. So today we're going to be testing it out and then just hanging out and getting an order printed. Right now orders have slowed down for me, which is fine because I'm getting ready to have all 4 printers going. I need to finish printing out all of the AMS light supports so I can get my 4th AMS up and going, because right now, as you can see, I only have the 3 out. I have one in the box right here that we need to get out, get up, and put it together. So let's get the day started. All right, so you are up on my tripod. You're way up there. I still have about good 5 or 6 inches left that I can hike you up, but now you can perfectly see my build plate, and we need to clean it, so let's do that. I clean my build plate with isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth. To whomever the older gentleman was in Micro Center that says, "Don't buy those, buy them from Walmart and you can just throw them away." Well, I don't want to throw them away. I want to reuse them because I'd rather buy nicer stuff and have it longer and not be wasteful. So I bought a whole pack of these. They're large, they're really big. From Micro Center, when I was down there getting my new A1s, and I just literally just put a little bit on here. Like that's it, that's all I do. And then I just clean it real good. And then I'll usually wipe the screen also. And that's pretty much all I do to clean my beds. So this is Isla. This is my new printer I just got. She is going to be printing the rest of the supports for the A1. And then Indy's printing a cookie cutter order. And then Iris and Ivy, there's so many I names, they're going to be printing truck beds. So let's move down there, clean their build plates, and get these prints started. All right, beds are clean. Let's get them going for the day. My mics are charging right now, so I'm trying to talk loud because my A1's going in the back, but it is time to lubricate the Y-axis on Ivy, and I wanted to show you how I do that. So I break out my little bamboo lab kit. This is what it is. I need to print boxes and actually keep this stuff in, but I just haven't yet. I've been so busy. So before I do anything, I use compressed air. I love this stuff. I usually just go like that, and then I will pop this open. Next, I will just push this back and spray in there. Like there's filament down in here. And then I'll push this forward towards me. And then just spray. Next, I'll take the microfiber cloth I just used. I try to keep one, and then when it gets really dirty, I will switch it out for a new one. I'll just clean some stuff because they can get really gross down in here. Then we'll get out the lubricant. This is the lubricating oil. Let me see. Lubricating oil that comes with the printer. And then I just run it along here. Okay. Let me snip this open. This one isn't open yet. So I just squeeze it on the rail. Squeeze it on the rail. And then I'll just push it back and forth. And it's moving it up. Then I'll hit done because we're done. I'll wipe this off as well before I put it back on, because it can also get kind of gross. Alright, it is now lubricated. I'm sorry. Alright, I got my two printers going. One's printing the truck bed, one's printing the AMS parts. Now we are going to pack in order. We are going to be packing a cookie cutter, which is a pig. So, let's get to it. We will be using my stickers that I just made with my new printer that I got, my new thermal label printer, my Munbyn printer. I printed care instructions as well as these awesome thank you stickers. I love them. They're beautiful. They have a holographic vibe to them that I absolutely love. So let's go ahead and print out the packing slip as well as the shipping label. My labels are from Munbyn. They were nice enough to send me a label printer and labels, and so far it's been amazing. They sent me holographic labels, which is the thank you, and they sent me these little square ones, which this care instruction I will put on the order slip, and then it will go into the bag, which I get all of my shipping bags off Amazon. It's just easier that way, and I can get them really fast. And then I take the thank you sticker, which you think it's square, but it's actually round. And there you go. Again, my shop is really slow right now. I only have one order, but I am thankful for that order. So it will go to the post office later today. I will probably vlog again tomorrow, just setting up my A1 and that whole process. As you can see right here, the truck bed is still printing. It has about 2.5 hours to go. A total takes about 7.5 hours just to print the white body, and tomorrow I'll get more into printing the small little details for it. So, thanks for hanging out with me, and don't forget to like and subscribe.